Hi guys, it's EKD once again, and I want to say thank you for 1,000 subscribers. I'm really grateful. Seriously, I am grateful. I am grateful. I know it's pretty small, but at least it's a good start. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I just want to tell you a story of how this channel started, and it's going to be very surprising to some of you. Some things I'm going to say. All right, I began when I was motivated by seeing what other persons were putting online, and I believe I said, I think I can do something. Let me just put something online, and I started the year 2019. So I put a couple of videos, I think about 2 videos, and before then I was just a viewer on YouTube. I was just watching all that person's content. All right, trying to learn. I mean, YouTube is a nice place to improve yourself, but I said, okay, let me get beyond this. Let me get beyond watching other person's content. Let me just add my own content on this platform. And I think I did 2 videos, and I think it got some response, and people said, okay, is this good? So I think during that period I came in contact with Chris Do on his channel. All right, I know most of you will be very surprised of me mentioning Chris Do, but just listen to me, you're going to get it very soon. I think Chris Do was teaching, and don't tell him this, I used this trick for him. I used his own trick for him, and I've used that trick for, I don't think it's a trick, I won't call it a trick though. I won't call it a trick. I just think is a form of intelligence, all right, that he shared with everybody, and I took it from me. I think he was talking about something, how to talk to people online, how to message people online, and he said something. He said, before you message somebody, you have to greet them and appreciate what they do, things like that. You have to make sure that you've been a follower of them. All right, so I did the same thing. I was a follower of him, so I messaged him for the first time. I was not hoping he would reply. He'll probably watch this video, right? He'll probably watch this video, but I want to say a big thank you to him, because he contributed a lot, especially at the beginning of this channel. He contributed a lot. So I sent these videos to him, and I was waiting for his reply, and he actually replied. I was surprised. His reply was heartwarming, right? It was heartwarming. I sent him 2 of my content. At that time, if you see my videos, I'm going to show you some of my videos. Just see me videos. They were amateur, as in amateur. I'm not proud of them right now, but at least it was a good start. So I sent it to Chris Do and said, okay, this is what I have started doing something. This is what I've put online. How do you see it? So he said something that encouraged me. I was thinking he was going to critique. What is this? This is nonsense, and take this out. This is nonsense, or like do this or do that, or you're not good enough to be online. But he said something very shocking. I'm going to show you that DM now. I'm going to show you a shot of it. He said, well done. Just keep producing content. Each time, challenge yourself to improve on one thing. And that was like, wow. I was like, Chris Do replied me, and he just encouraged me, and I was encouraged. I was motivated to do more. And that's when I started doing videos, and I started improving from then. And time to time I'll go back to him. Chris Do actually critiqued my logo. All right, I had a logo before. I'm going to show you. At that time it was so bad. I'm going to show you. This was what I designed to use as my logo. I sent it to him, but his reply made me know that, okay, he said simplify it and make it bolder. At that time I was not so good I was not so grounded in brand identity. So I sent it to him, and he said, okay, simplify it and make it bolder. That was a lot for me. That was a lot. So I refined it again, and I did it, and that was when my logo was perfect. So you see, Chris Do actually imputed to the beginning of this channel a lot. So I want to say a big thank you, sir. I want to say a big thank you to Chris Do. Thank you so much. You've impacted so many lives, and I'm one of them. And I'm here to say thank you. So I'm celebrating 1K now, and that time I think I was on maybe 2 or 3 subscribers, but now I'm celebrating 1K. It was all because you imputed something, and you encouraged me, you motivated me to start something from where I was and with what I had. So I want to say a big thank you. Shout out to Chris Do. So that was pretty much how I started. I want to thank you guys. It's just a short video. I want to thank you guys for always watching my content. You've always been there, waiting for it to come again and again. And that was how it grew, sharing to your friends. I want to say a big thank you to you guys. You guys are awesome. This journey I just started. There are many things I have in pack for you guys. All right, I can attest to the fact that I have improved over the years with your feedback and say, okay, I know, okay, wow, these guys are interested. So I find more ways to get myself grounded on what I do. All right, so this is it. Thank you guys. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, you have to subscribe. Just check out my content. Check out my content. Well thought of that. So if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. See you guys. Thank you once more for 1K subscribers. See ya.
Hi guys, my name is EKD. Welcome to my channel. From graphics design to motion graphics, from branding to logo designs, all I do is to simplify your design learning process. You can trust me on that. I provide awesome tutorials that will help you learn fast. All you have to do is to subscribe to this channel, like my videos and share. Welcome once again to this channel. Enjoy.